Although there are certain contradictions and omissions in her testimony, but such omissions and contradictions are minor, and on material aspects, her evidence is consistent. The prosecutrix, being illiterate and rustic young woman, some contradictions and omissions are natural, as her recollection, observance, memory, and narration of chain of events may not be precise, except the word statement of A1 under section 313 CRPC that he has been falsely implicated due to enmity. Nothing has been brought on record that may probabilize that the prosecutrix had motive to falsely implicate him. The circumstances even do not remotely suggest that the prosecutrix would put her reputation and chastity at stake for the reason stated by A1 under section 313 CRPC that a case was pending between A1 and 1SR. The evidence of the prosecutrix is reliable and has rightly been acted upon by the trial court. Although the lady doctor did not find any injury on the external or internal part of body of the prosecutrix and opined that the prosecutrix was habitual to sexual intercourse, but that does not make the testimony of the prosecutrix unreliable. The fact of the matter is that the prosecutrix was recovered almost after 3 weeks. Obviously, the sign of possible intercourse would not persist for the long period. It is wrong to assume that in all cases of intercourse with the woman against will or without consent, there would be some injury on the external or internal part of the victim. The prosecutrix has clearly deposed that she was not in a position to put up any struggle as he was taken away from her village by two adult males. The absence of injuries on the person of the prosecutrix is not sufficient to discredit her evidence. She was a helpless victim. Due to fear, she could not inform the neighbors where she was kept. As regards the belated FIR, suffice it to observe that PW1, he deposed that when he returned to his home in the evening from agricultural field, he was informed that his sister, who had gone to ease herself, had not returned. He searched for her and he was told by the two villagers that she was seen with the accused in the fields.